Welcome to you friends in this my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the next point of halogen derivatives. In our last lecture we learned that introductory part and classification of different types of alkyl halides. Yes, here we are going to today start the nomenclature of halogen derivatives. Means here mostly two types of names are used to give a common compound. Means two types of names are used to give a named compound. First one is common name. In common name, the compounds are named on the basis of their naming, that is alkyl halide. Okay, so common name is based on its alkyl group and then halogen. In that way, common name is given to compound. And IUPAC name is second type of naming is IUPAC. Here, IUPAC name to compound are given by haloalkane type name. Okay, to give two types of naming to our halogen derivative compounds. Means common name is alkyl halide type and IUPAC name is haloalkane type. Okay, so see compound one by one to get clear idea about the different types of compounds. Means first here we are going to start the name of this compound. Here I will give or I will tell first common name, after that is IUPAC. Okay, so in this compound we observe that CH2Cl2 means two halogen atoms are present and one carbon is present. Therefore for one carbon, alkyl name is methylene. And halogen is here chlorine. Therefore, name of this compound is methylene chloride. Okay, this first name is, that is common name. I will tell next name of this compound, that is IUPAC name. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? Yes, here two halogen atoms are present and like we are giving haloalkane type name. Means first halogen atom, then its alkyl group. Means dichloromethane is the IUPAC name of this first compound. Okay, see next compound. In this second compound, the molecular formula is CH3CH2Br. Means two carbon atoms are present and halogen is bromine. Therefore, its common name is ethyl bromide. Okay, so its common name is ethyl bromide. What will be its IUPAC name? To write its IUPAC name, first write halogen atom. Means here halogen atom is bromine. Therefore, its IUPAC name is bromoethane. Bromoethane is its IUPAC name. See next compound. In this third compound, molecular formula is CH3CH CH3. On second carbon, there is a presence of halogen atom. To give such types of compound name, we must know some rules which you learn in 11th standard. When a straight chain of alkane having substitution on second carbon, at that time such compounds are given name, that is prefix is added, means iso, this prefix is added before the name of alkyl group. Here there are 3 carbons are present, means isopropyl, and after the name of alkyl we are giving its halide name, that is chloride. Means name of this compound is isopropyl chloride. What is its IUPAC name? Yes, IUPAC name of this compound is chloro. Yes, and the position of substitution is also important here. So numbering starts from right side or left side. Therefore, the name of chlorine means this compound 1-chloro, or here the position of chlorine is 2, not 1. So 2-chloro propane is the IUPAC name for this third compound. After this compound, we will give name to our next compound, that is CH3, CH, CH3, CH2Br. See here, in this compound, in straight chain, there is a presence of 3 carbons, but total number of carbons are 4. To give common name, we will consider all the numbers of carbon. Means, again here one rules is used to give prefix. See, on here is a straight chain and again a substitution present on second carbon. Therefore, iso is a prefix which is added here. Okay, and how many numbers are carbon? How many numbers of carbons are present? 4. Therefore, iso butyl bromide is the common name for this compound. To give IUPAC name, numbering must be from right to left. Here only numbers are given to carbon compound, not this halogen. Okay, so what is its IUPAC name? To give IUPAC name, 2 substitutions are present, like halogen and other is, yes, CH3 group, that is alkyl. Means, what is the name of this compound? 1-bromo 2-methyl. Then, how many numbers of carbon present in the straight chain? 3. Therefore, propane. Means, its common name and IUPAC names are, common name is isobutyl bromide and IUPAC name is 1-bromo 2-methyl propane. Okay, then next compound. In that there are 4 carbons are present, but arrangement of carbon is different than previous. To give common name to this compound, one again rule is used. Yes, see the degree of this carbon. Yes, halogen attached carbon is directly attached to 3 different carbon. Therefore, this compound is tertiary carbon, or this carbon is tertiary. Therefore, to give common name this compound, we use the name that is tertiary. Butyl, how many carbons are present? 4. Therefore, butyl is the alkyl group. And halogen is bromine. Therefore, bromine. Halogen atom. Therefore, common name is tertiary butyl bromide. What is its IUPAC name? To give IUPAC name, numbering starts from left side or bottom side or top side. Choose any one side and continue the longest chain. See here, this is our longest chain. And here we get that on second position, bromine is also present and CH3 group is also present. Which one write first? Yes, to give this proper name to this compound, alphabetical order must be maintained. Means here bromine having B letter while methyl having M letter. B comes before M. Therefore, 2-bromo, 2-methyl, and number of carbons are 3 in straight chain. Therefore, propane means its IUPAC name is 2-bromo, 2-methyl propane. See next compound. Here, how many number of carbons are present? Total 5 carbons are present. And when central carbon is directly attached to 4 carbon and one of the side of carbon is attached to halogen atom, at that time this compound, this structured compound which I marked here is known as NEO compound. NEO, yes, to give common name, first prefix is used NEO. How many numbers of carbons are here? 5. Therefore, pentyl word is used. And halogen is, yes, chlorine. Therefore, chloride. Means to get common name of this compound, neopentyl chloride is the common name for this given compound. Okay, so we will move towards its IUPAC name. See what is its IUPAC name. To give IUPAC name, first we will choose longest chain and after give marking. Then here we get 3 numbers of carbon in straight chain and having 2 substitution. Yes, this one is also behave as a substitution. Means what is the name of this compound? Again here we are using rule, that is alphabetical order. Chlorine having C letter which comes before the M of methyl. Therefore we will write here 1 chloro, 2 dimethyl, and total number of carbons present in straight chain are 3. Therefore, dimethyl propane. Okay. This is the correct IUPAC name of given compound. See here next compound. Yes, to give common name to this compound, we learn in classification point that when halogen attached carbon is double bonded, yes, or halogen is attached to double bonded carbon, at that time this group is termed as vinyl. What? This group is termed as vinyl. And halogen is chlorine. Therefore, vinyl chloride is the common name for this compound. What will be its IUPAC name? To give IUPAC name for this compound, we will use marking from right to left, because whenever we are giving name or marking right to left, at that time chlorine having less number. Therefore, its name is 1 chloro eth for alkyl group. On the position of first, there is the presence of double bond. Therefore, 1-ene is the correct proper name for this compound. Okay, then next one is, see here, again this compound we learn in the classification point. Yes, halogen attached carbon is directly attached to that carbon which is double bonded. Means such types of compounds are allylic. Yes, so its name must be allylic bromide or allyl bromide. Allyl bromide is the common name for this compound. Yes. Then what is its IUPAC name? To give IUPAC name, first select longest chain. Then here two types of numberings are possible, from left to right and from right to left. Which one is correct? Yes, here to correct name or correct numbering, we must know, to give correct numbering to this compound, we must know, yes, priority order of functional group. Means here double bond comes in more priority than the halogen. Here halogen behaves as a substitution. Therefore numbering starts from functional group rather than substitution. Okay, so numbering first, second, third. Yes. Then its name is 3-bromo prop. Here double bond is present, therefore 1 E. Okay. So next compound. Here, what is the name of this compound? Commonly, this is acetyl group and having one substitution by chlorine. Means what is the common name of this compound? Acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride is the common name for this compound. What is its IUPAC name? To give IUPAC name, numbering starts from right to left. Therefore 1-chloro. Yes, eth, there are two carbons, therefore eth is the alkyl name, and on the first carbon there is a presence of triple bond, therefore eth 1-ine is added. Okay, this is the correct IUPAC name and common name of ninth compound. What will be the common name of next compound? Yes, what is the common name? This group is benzyl group and iodine is added. Therefore, this compound is termed as benzyl iodide. Okay, this compound is benzyl iodide. Benzyl iodide is the common name for this compound. Again, to give IUPAC name to this compound, longest chain of carbon is only 1, and in ABCD, yes, phenyl group is there, and this is iodine. Yes, to give this compound name, 1-iodo or 1-phenyl. Yes, what is its name? 1-iodo, 1-phenyl methane is the correct IUPAC name for this compound. 1-iodo, 1-phenyl methane. Yes, to give IUPAC name, one rule is most important here, means alphabetical order. Here alphabetical order must be maintained. So after this compound we will see next 11th number compound. Yes, to give common name to this compound, we know what is the name when benzene ring having CH3. Yes, this compound is commonly known as toluene, and here on para position, means on the fourth position of that, iodine is present. From this CH3, iodine is present on fourth position. Therefore, here common name of this compound is para iodo toluene. Para iodo toluene is the common name for this compound. But when we want to give IUPAC name to this compound, numbering must be start from iodine rather than methyl group, because methyl group is less electronegative than the chlorine. Means here 1 iodo 4 methyl benzene is the IUPAC name for this given compound. Then next one is to give common name to this compound. Yes, see this first position and this is third position. Means two chlorines are present on meta position. Therefore, this compound is meta dichlorobenzene. This is the common name for this compound. To give IUPAC name, numbering starts from first chlorine and end at last carbon. Means 1,3-dichlorobenzene is the correct IUPAC name for this 12th compound. Okay, here these are the questions which present on your textbook, and after this question we are only interested to give IUPAC name because these questions are present in can you know in your textbook. So only from 13 we will give IUPAC name to this compound. Yes, to give IUPAC name to this compound, numbering starts from left to right, yes, or right to left. Here see substitution or halogen is present on right side, and to get less number to the halogen containing carbon, numbering must be started from, yes, right to left. Means 1 bromo. Then how many carbons are present in straight chain? There are 4 carbons, and on second carbon there is a presence of triple bond. Therefore alkyl group must be but 2 Y and E is added for triple bond. Therefore 1 bromo but 2ine is the IUPAC name for this compound. What is the IUPAC name for next compound? To give IUPAC name to this compound, numbering starts from again right to left because halogen is present on right side. To get less number to halogen containing carbon, we started numbering from left to right to left. Okay, so name of this compound is 1-chloro. How many carbons are present in straight chain and longest chain? 4. Therefore again but. Here double bond is present on second position, therefore 2-ene. Okay, so what is its, yes, IUPAC name? Bromobenzene. Yes, okay, what is its name? Bromobenzene. Bromobenzene is IUPAC name for this compound. See here, what is its IUPAC name? 1,4. Here benzene ring is present and numbering starts from bromine to next bromine. Yes, 2 bromines are present and position of bromine is 1,4 di bromo benzene. Okay, so its name is 1,4-dibromobenzene. What is its next compound? This one is our next compound. Having substitution on second carbon, here numbering starts from one end to other. Okay, 3 carbons are present and on the second position there is a substitution, therefore 2 bromo propane is the IUPAC name for this compound. Then next one is, here total number of carbons are 4 and numbering starts from right to left because on right side there is a presence of halogen. Means here straight chain contain 3 carbon and here second carbon contain 1 alkyl substitution. And to give correct IUPAC name to this compound, 1 ioro 2 methyl propane is the correct IUPAC name of this compound. Yes, from this video you will get clear idea how will you give the name to halogen derivative containing compound. Means common name and IUPAC name. How will you give? That idea comes from this video. Okay, this is all about naming of halogen derivative. Okay, thank you.